last one for jersey number 99. Jersey number 99 now. Jersey number 17, De La Rosa. Score 31-17. Lumabas sa pagkapat ang kalabangan ng mga kayo Puma. Jersey number 14, baseline drive. Tapos jersey number 4, baseline 5. Following shot is number. Out of rebound. Out of bounds, Simple. Jersey number 14 in the baseline inbound. Simple. Jersey number 45 to jersey number 9. 5 minutes and 7. Pass to jersey number 4. Pass to jersey number 14. Jersey number 9. 14 on the shot clock. Intercept to jersey number 17. Now to intercept. Pass to jersey number 6. But they left. Baseline jumper is good. Aking wala na kayo jersey number 9. Jersey number 14 for 3. Bang! Jersey number 14. De La Rosa, jersey number 17, Trapas, jersey number 01, Eagle Pass, jersey number 9, for 3. Everybody, para jersey number 9. Time remaining 4 minutes and 20 seconds to play. Para sa ating second quarter, score 31-20. Subdivision. Jersey number 6 out, replacement jersey number 19, Machas. Jersey number 14, pass to jersey number 4, back to jersey number 14 on the run, jump pass to jersey number 25, jersey number 4, it's good. Mula sa senior bibig ang alaman ng American Puma, 9-point lead. Cruz pass for Trinidad, looking for the peak, jersey number 6, there's a pushing foul, maybe jersey number 14, that is first foul, penalty. For jersey number 6, Trinidad. Time remaining 3 minutes and 58 seconds to play. Under 4 minutes to play. First shot is good. Score 52-22. Send the last shot for jersey number 6, jumpers ready. It's 2-2. Subdivision. Jersey number 9, pass to Machas, jersey number 19. Jersey number 25, 14 on the shot clock, Parker pass to jersey number 9. 10 on the shot clock. Jersey number 19, looking for the peak. Jersey number 19, attack the defense, pass to jersey number 25, 4-second shot clock. Baseline jumper is no good. People jersey number 3 on the glass. Jersey number 17. Time remaining 3 minutes and 33 seconds to play. Para sa ating first half, score 33-22. Jersey number 19, Machas. Pass to jersey number 9, 15 on the shot clock. Jersey number 19 has been moved to jersey number 13, to jersey number 9. To jersey number 19, 8 on the shot clock. Makes it 5. It's no good. Now para jersey number 9, to jersey number 25. 10-second shot clock. Jersey number 25. Up and number is good for 2. Para sa Puma, 3 minutes exactly to play. Para sa ating first half, jersey number 6, jersey the peak. A free cross, jersey number 6 again, jersey number 13, puts it up. It's not good, but there's a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 13. That's the second foul, penalty.